In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a new Google email account for children. To begin, start the Google account creation process and choose the option that says "For my child." This is important because it sets up the account with the right protections and allows you to supervise it through Google Family Link. Next, enter your child's first name and last name, then select Next. Try to use their real name, since it helps with account recovery and makes it easier to recognize the account across devices and apps. After that, enter your child's birthday and gender, then select Next. The birthday matters because Google uses it to apply age-appropriate settings and determine what supervision options are available. Take your time and confirm the date is correct before moving on. Now you will choose a Gmail address for your child. You can either pick one of the suggested addresses or create your own. If you are creating a custom address, keep it simple and easy to spell. Avoid including sensitive details in the address, like a full birth date or other identifying information. Once the address is set, create a password and select Next. Choose a strong password that is hard to guess. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is best. Write it down and store it somewhere secure so you can access the account later if needed, but do not share it publicly. Next, Google will ask you to sign in with your own Google account to provide parental consent. This is the account that will manage supervision settings, so make sure you use the parent or guardian account you plan to keep long-term. Then review the terms carefully. Check the required boxes to confirm you understand and agree, and then select Agree. This is where Google explains how data and supervision work for a child account, so it is worth reading closely. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting up Family Link supervision. This is where you will connect the child account to your family group and confirm the supervision features. Keep going until you see confirmation that setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know.